Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am starting the month of December off with Vlogmas. So I'm going to be doing a video every single day for the month of December to celebrate Christmas. So this is going to be so fun. I have a ton of ideas of videos that I'm going to make for you guys. I'll have meal prepping videos like my normal videos. I have some dessert videos. I have some Christmas type videos. I'll have the boys join me. If you've been to my channel before, you know I like to have my kids pop in every once in a while and make a kid-friendly recipe. So anyways, I have tons of ideas and I'm really excited to be doing this. So check back each day for what I am up to for that day. If you're new to my channel, click subscribe and click the bell button so that you get a notification each time that new video is posted. So I'm gonna start this Vlogmas off with a treat. I'm gonna be making cake pops. I have this cake pop maker. It's a babycakes cake pop maker. Got it on Amazon. It is so easy to use, so fun. I just love making cake pops and like I said, so easy. I got this on Amazon. I will put a link to it in the description. You can get them anywhere, Target, Walmart. I can link those as well so that you can just go straight to it. But really awesome. And then I have these are called treat sticks. You can get these all those same places, Amazon, Walmart. It's like a lollipop stick and these are perfect for cake pops. I've used skewers, like wooden skewers before, but they're a little skinny, but these are perfect. So I'll link these also in case you want to get all this stuff and make some cake pops. So if you've been around my channel before, you know I do mostly keto recipes. So I have gotten this cake mix before. It is so good, exactly like a regular white cake mix, but it's keto friendly. It's 4 net carbs per serving, gluten-free, 0 added sugar. So this is awesome. I got it at my Walmart. So basically you can get it anywhere. And then I found this, I have not had it before, but it's a keto vanilla frosting. So I had to pick it up. So good, it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna give the like frosted outside of my cake pops. So I'm just gonna make the cake mix as you make it on the box. So it calls for eggs and coconut oil, that I will melt the coconut oil for this. And then I just mix it up and you pour it into the cake pop maker molds and they're so quick. It's just like 4 to 5 minutes and your whole batch is done. So these are really fun to have. You can decorate with them with some sprinkles or some sugar-free chocolate drizzle or anything to make them a little bit more festive. I'm gonna get these going, show you how I use this cake pop maker. Thanks for joining me for my very first Vlogmas vlog. Like I said, every day this month I'll be posting a new video and I'm really excited to have you stop by each day and see what we're up to. And I just love celebrating the holidays, so this is gonna be really fun. I will get all of these cake pops ready to go.
All right, so I have my mix and this is so easy. Duncan Hines, just in the regular cake mix section of your grocery store. So really good, really easy. I'm going to just pour the mix into my bowl and then I am going to, I'm just going to make sure there aren't any clumps before I add the other ingredients. It just makes it so much easier if you just break everything up. You can just stir it so much easier and it combines really well. So I'm just breaking up anything there is. I have my melted coconut oil. And then I'm going to use 3 eggs. So I am just making this exactly how the recipe is on the box. So you don't have to do anything different to make them into the cake pops. You can definitely do your own mix. So you can make your own cake mix if you'd like, but it's just so much easier to use a boxed mix in my opinion. So I've just mixed all that up and it came out perfectly smooth and so good and so easy. So I have heated up the cake pop maker. I'm going to take a spoonful and just put the dollop right in the circle of the mold and I will fill all of these up. And I love that this is a non-stick kitchen gadget. I just love anything nonstick. It helps clean up be so much easier. So I'm going to fill all those up, put down the lid, and then it clicks in. And it has a little light as well. So the light is done. These are all done. I'm just going to pull them out. Like I said, they just pop right out of the maker.
All right, so all of my cake pop little balls are done. They just turn out so perfect. So like if there's a little bit on the edges, you can cut it off with your kitchen scissors. But really, these just pop out. I love that the cake pop maker is non-stick. So I have the frosting and I heated it up to kind of thin it out a little bit. And I'm just going to, first I'm gonna, put my little sticks on. So I have these like lollipop sticks. These are really great. So I will just stick it in the center like this. And now I'm just gonna roll it into the frosting. All right, I need to add my sprinkles. Open them. So I'm gonna try not to make a huge mess, but can't promise anything. All right, I'm gonna add on some red sprinkles to make these a little festive. All right, so this one is done. I'm gonna harden these up in the refrigerator and then they'll be all ready.
These cake pops turned out so awesome, so festive. I just love making these, especially a keto version. I can't beat that. So thanks so much for watching my very first vlog of December. Don't forget to stop back each day for all of my new vlogs that I will be doing the whole month of December. So click subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.